Hello there. So let's analyze another brand from the financial sector. It's a famous brand. Its name is Revolut. So it's online bank. It's an app. So let's see what kind of sentiment users and people have about this brand. So come with me. So let's use the brand mention tracker is an AI agent created by us. So let's track brand sentiment. So we add our own formula and some algorithms that help us to understand, help the machine to understand what kind of output we want when they perform the analysis, when they crawl the websites and the reviews and all the articles on the web. So let's put Revolut past 2 years, the UK. So we have like the brand, the industry, finance. Let's put the industry as well. Finance, past few years, the UK. So that's enough information. So let's see what kind of output we have for Revolut. So brand sentiment summary, Revolut, UK, last 2 years, positive sentiment, exceptional brand growth. In March 2025, Revolut was declared the fastest growing bank brand globally, with a staggering 795% surge in brand value. Top reputation ranking, it's very good reputation. In June 2025, Revolut secured the top spot among UK banks in Karma's reputation analysis. Record financial performance. Revolut's 2023 annual report shows revenue of 1.80 billion. Brand positioning and outreach. In late 2024, Revolut staged a high-profile concert with pop star Charlie XCX in London, touring brand itself as a lifestyle-centric fintech and celebrate its 50 million global customers. So we have some neutral sentiment, UK bank license acquisition regarding innovative monetization effort, and negative sentiment. There are like few negative sentiment pointing it as a fraud and complaint volume. A BBC reporter noted Revolut had the highest number of fraud complaints among UK banks in 2023, raising alarm over its security controls and customer protection. High-profile fraud incident. The Times covered a case in which customers' £21.5 thousand was stolen and Revolut initially refused to refund. Ouch! Leaving the victim to go through a lengthy ombudsman process, the refund only arrived 18 months later. App security vulnerabilities, regulatory licensing delays. Wow. Yes, so brand today is very important, very delicate. Even if it's pointing like record financial performance, brand position outreach, there are like positive footprints. The negative sentiment given by the customers destroy and have like more weight when people will decide which bank they will use. So even they have thousands of views and mentions and citations on the LLM platforms, they might not be pointed as the best option when someone inquiry or ask these platforms what's the best option for a bank app like Revolut. They might go for the competitor. Monzo, we don't know how is its reputation, but we can analyze in the next video. So the negative regarding fraud and complaints volume, this has very negative on the scale, and the sentiment score estimation is giving like a 0 score. What's not negative and not positive, but it's negative because a brand should be ranking. We should have a sentiment score to be positive, above 50 at least. That would be a satisfactory score for a brand. So yes, Revolut, you can do better. You need to tackle these negative sentiments. It's possible. I'm sure the marketing are aware of that already, and they are trying to tackle it. It is affecting, probably this is affecting the in the decision process of the customer journey. If customers inquiry about experience, what is like about Revolut, it will affect. So that's why it's very important continuously monitor the brand, and see what people are talking about your brand. Tracking sentiment trends weekly, monthly, or quarterly. That's very important. So that's what the tool is recommending, like also benchmark against competitors. So my company, Virtuancy, experts specialize in apply AI in digital marketing. So we understand how these platforms work. We can help brands to tackle these issues, these negative issues. Of course, we do our part, but it's very important that the customers receive exceptional and very good services on the client side. Because if you fill the web with positive footprints, but just like is happening here, your brand is being, you have a negative sentiment from customers in like sites like Trustpilot and other review sites. But here is like it was in the media, so we see that's the Times that publish these articles. So it's not coming from reviews websites, but the tool is grabbing information from the Times, what is a very strong media, the Times. So they are very powerful. So and the fraud and complaint volume is on the Wikipedia, and I don't know why. What the Wikipedia is, you can edit Wikipedia. So who have had it on Wikipedia? So this is not very difficult to fix it, I would say. It's like if the brand is someone from Revolut see this video, so I think you can fix it with some efforts applying on digital PR and tracking what is negative. If you need help from my company, we'll be willing to help you. In any brand, any company that needs help tracking the brand, and positioning their service and brand on LLM platforms, we can help you. Thank you for watching the video. If you watched the video, please give your like and subscribe in our YouTube channel.